Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Today in Communication in Ramadan Part 2, we are going to bring to you a topic on gentle speech in communication. Gentle speech. Qawlan layyinan. If you go to Surah Taha, when Allah Azza wa Jal ordered Musa alayhi salam, Moses and his brother Aaron Harun to go to Pharaoh in verse 43, Quran said, in English, "Go, both of you, to Pharaoh, for he has truly transgressed all bounds." And verse 44 continued, "And speak to him with gentle speech, that perhaps he may be reminded or fear Allah." Surah Taha, verse 43 to 44. If you look at what ulama or alim scholars talk about the meaning of this, these verses are part of the instructions given by Allah to Prophet Moses, and his brother Harun, Aaron, before they faced the tyrant Pharaoh. Okay? The mission was, Allah commands both Musa and Harun to go to Pharaoh. The reason is explicitly stated. He, Pharaoh, has transgressed. He has acted arrogant, claimed divinity, and caused extreme injustice. Okay? So the method, gentle speech, is still used because you remember, Pharaoh is the leader of his people. He even claimed his God, subhanallah. So, despite Pharaoh's extreme tyranny, Allah instructs them to speak with him using what? Gentle, soft words. Qawlan layyinan. The purpose of this gentle approach is to give Pharaoh a chance to reflect, be reminded, or to fear the consequences, the results, the punishment of his actions. All right? So the key lessons in this for communication or communicators or da'i, as a communicator myself, the approach of da'wah, even when dealing with the most arrogant oppressors, the approach should be civilized, polite, and gentle. Hope for guidance. No person is beyond potential guidance, and a soft approach is more likely to touch the heart than immediate harshness. No room for fear. In the subsequent verses, Allah assures them, "Fear not. Indeed, I am with you both. I hear and I see." Okay? This teaches that truth will always prevail and Allah protects those working for his sake. So, of course, in working for Allah for communication, remember, Qawlan Layyinan. So this is the end of part 2 of our program we titled Communication in Ramadan. Okay, see you on the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.